Hi, I'm DeVeydt. I am an alum of the MSW program, and I am currently the Youth Prevention Group Facilitator at Cade Kids in Philadelphia. So, what led me to my current position is actually the work I did in my last internship year. I ran youth groups for young people in West Philly who'd been affected by gun violence, and I absolutely just fell in love with the work and working with high school students who are just kind of often left behind by the education system. The reason that I chose SP2 is because I really wanted a social work program that combined the clinical route with the macro route. And I really loved the diversity of the classes offered here at Penn and that you spend so much time directly doing work in the field. I am really looking forward to being someone who stays in this field their whole life. I want to continue to grow and to shift to the community needs and be involved with my community.